Hey everyone, this is Donnie from Resin Art. We wanted to share this quick video to show a bit of the cleanup process from the last piece we posted. As you can see, I'm hitting the overflow with the heat gun, full blast. Once it's all nice and toasty, I'll cut it away using an X-Acto blade. The resin cools off quick, making it much harder to cut, so I'll bounce back to the heat gun pretty frequently. Sometimes it cuts easy, and other times, not so much. And of course, this piece was a little bit stubborn. The only reason I'm doing this to this particular piece is because our frog tape failed. I won't make the mistake of using that again. Anyways, keep blasting it with the heat and cutting away until you get it as close to the canvas as possible. Then you can sand it down with some 220 grit sandpaper. Well, usually anyways. I didn't get it as close as I thought, so I had to break out the Dremel. Once you're happy with the edge, wipe it down and it's good to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. We post a video daily, so boop that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when they're posted. Thanks for watching.